What is happening, everyone, and welcome back to Microsoft Sphere. The news cycle is absolutely relentless, isn't it? Every single day, something new is dropping, something that could shift the landscape, change the game, or just plain blow your mind. You need to stay ahead of the curve, and that's exactly what we're here to do. We're diving deep into the stories that matter, the ones that are shaping our world right now, and trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming up next. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the updates that are making waves. First up, we're heading to the ballpark to talk about the passionate people who make game day electric. Who are they? We're breaking it down. Then, we're shifting gears to a massive moment in sports history, a record-breaking event that's set to redefine attendance. You won't believe the numbers. After that, we're diving into the high-stakes world of technology and finance, where one company is making massive AI-driven moves. Is it outperforming the giants? We've got the inside scoop. And finally, we're talking about the AI revolution and the energy demands it's creating, uncovering a potentially massive investment opportunity that everyone else seems to be missing. This is your essential briefing. Stick around, you won't want to miss a second. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Giants fans, who's your favorite visiting crew? When the roar of the crowd fills Oracle Park, it's not just the home team that brings the energy. The Bay Area is a melting pot of passion, and that extends to the dedicated fan bases who travel to support their teams. This piece delves into the vibrant atmosphere created by visiting fans, asking the crucial question: which team's supporters truly shine when they hit the West Coast? For baseball enthusiasts, the experience at Oracle Park is often amplified by the collective energy of the crowd. While Giants fans are known for their spirited support, the presence of visiting fan groups can significantly impact the game day atmosphere. This exploration focuses on identifying which traveling fan bases consistently bring the most enthusiasm and create the most memorable experiences for everyone in attendance. It's a question that sparks friendly debate among fans, touching on everything from the sheer volume of cheers to the overall sportsmanship displayed. We're setting aside the heated rivalries with the Athletics and the Lowe's Angels-Dodgers, acknowledging that those particular fan interactions can sometimes lean towards the volatile. Instead, the focus is on appreciating the positive contributions of other fan groups. Early impressions suggest that fans of the Minnesota Twins have provided some genuinely good experiences, even in the face of a tough game outcome. Similarly, the presence of Mets fans in the Bay Area has been noted for its positive impact, adding a distinct flavor to the ballpark atmosphere. These are the fan bases that contribute to a lively and engaging environment, making each game a unique event. However, the standout contender for the most consistently well-represented visiting fan base at Oracle Park appears to be the Atlanta Braves. This observation might stem from a variety of factors, including generational influences on sports fandom. For many, the Braves were a constant presence on television screens during their formative years, with their games frequently broadcast nationally, particularly on TBS. This prolonged exposure likely cultivated a deep and enduring fan base that continues to travel and support the team, creating a strong presence even miles away from their home turf. The sheer number of Braves supporters seen at Oracle Park over the years suggests a dedicated following that makes their mark on the stadium's dynamic. But that's not the only major league story captivating audiences. Hold on, because we're about to witness a seismic shift in sports attendance history. Bay FC shatters NWSL attendance records at Oracle Park. Just when you thought the NWSL had reached peak attendance, Bay FC is poised to shatter that record, aiming for a new benchmark at the iconic Oracle Park. This isn't just a win for the team. It's a monumental moment for women's professional sports across the United States, promising to redefine fan engagement and stadium attendance. The National Women's Soccer League has been on an impressive upward trajectory, and this weekend's clash featuring Bay FC is set to etch its name in the history books. Following Chicago's impressive attendance record of 35,038 at Wrigley Field in June 2024, Bay FC is gearing up to surpass that number. With over 35,000 tickets already sold for their upcoming match against the Washington Spirit, Bay FC is officially set to claim the league's single-game attendance record. The game is scheduled to take place within the hallowed grounds of Oracle Park, the home of the San Francisco Giants, a venue known for its capacity to host major sporting events. The potential for this match to exceed the previous record is high, especially considering Oracle Park's total seating capacity of 40,260 seats. This event is not merely about breaking a soccer attendance record. It's about setting a new precedent for all U.S. professional women's sports leagues. NWSL Commissioner Jessica Berman has lauded the event as a landmark moment, stating, "This is a landmark moment not just for Bay FC or the NWSL, but for the future of women's professional sports in the United States." She further emphasized the significance of achieving this record at a venue as renowned as Oracle Park, highlighting it as a testament to the escalating demand, passion, and momentum propelling the league forward. This sentiment is echoed by Bay FC CEO Brady Stewart, who views the event as more than just a single match. "This is about pushing boundaries and creating something bigger than ourselves," Stewart remarked. "Everyone who is at Oracle Park on Saturday has the chance to be part of history and together show the world what's possible in women's sports." The growth of the NWSL is clearly demonstrated by the fact that the 6 most attended matches in the league's history have all occurred within the last 4 seasons. Markets such as San Diego, Seattle, and Chicago have consistently reached new heights in terms of fan turnout, indicating a broadening and deepening fan base across the league. This upcoming game at Oracle Park is expected to be a pivotal moment, further solidifying the NWSL's position and demonstrating the immense potential for women's professional sports to draw massive crowds and capture national attention. From breaking attendance, records on the field to making waves in the financial markets, the world of business is buzzing. Get ready to analyze the AI infrastructure play that's turning heads. Oracle's AI infrastructure, outpacing the tech titans. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, a critical question emerges. Is Oracle's AI-driven infrastructure strategy outmaneuvering even the most high-flying AI stocks like Palantir? This deep dive explores Oracle's strategic positioning and its potential to dominate the foundational elements of the AI revolution. The relentless march of artificial intelligence has created an insatiable demand for robust and scalable infrastructure. While many investors are fixated on the end-user applications and software platforms driving AI innovation, a more fundamental battle is being waged for the underlying hardware and cloud services that power these advancements. Oracle, a long-standing titan in the enterprise technology space, has been strategically pivoting and investing heavily in its AI-driven infrastructure capabilities. This move positions the company not just as a participant, but as a potential linchpin in the global AI ecosystem. The question on Wall Street's mind is whether Oracle's comprehensive approach, encompassing cloud computing, database management, and specialized hardware, can provide a more sustainable and dominant advantage compared to companies solely focused on AI software or specific AI applications, like Palantir, which has garnered significant attention for its data analytics and AI solutions. Oracle's strategy appears to be built on leveraging its established enterprise relationships and its extensive portfolio of cloud services, including its Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. OCI is being aggressively developed and marketed as a powerful and cost-effective platform for running AI workloads, including large language models and machine learning applications. The company is investing in high-performance computing, specialized AI chips, and advanced networking to support the massive data processing requirements of modern AI. Unlike some competitors who might be building their infrastructure from the ground up or relying heavily on third-party providers, Oracle's advantage lies in its integrated stack, offering a seamless experience from the data center to the application layer. This vertical integration aims to reduce complexity, enhance performance, and potentially lower costs for businesses deploying AI solutions. Furthermore, Oracle's deep expertise in database management and enterprise software provides a unique foundation for supporting AI data pipelines and ensuring data integrity, which are crucial for accurate and reliable AI outcomes. The company is also focusing on specific industry verticals, tailoring its AI infrastructure offerings to meet the unique needs of sectors like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, thereby creating specialized value propositions. Analysts are closely watching Oracle's ability to convert its technological investments and strategic partnerships into tangible market share gains. While Palantir has captured headlines with its AI-powered defense and intelligence platforms, Oracle's play is more about providing the foundational horsepower that enables such innovations. The comparison isn't necessarily about direct competition in every segment, but rather about which company is better positioned to capture the long-term value created by the AI boom. Oracle's established enterprise customer base provides a significant advantage, as many of these organizations are looking to upgrade their infrastructure to support AI initiatives, and Oracle is aiming to be their preferred partner. The market's reaction to Oracle's AI-related announcements and earnings reports will be a key indicator of whether its infrastructure-centric strategy is indeed outperforming the more application-focused AI stocks. Speaking of AI and massive growth, get ready for a story that connects artificial intelligence with a fundamental need, energy, and a company positioned to capitalize on it all. The AI energy crisis. Is this undervalued stock the key? The artificial intelligence revolution is consuming unprecedented amounts of energy, creating a hidden crisis that could stifle growth. Amidst this, a potentially overlooked company, deeply involved in critical energy infrastructure, is being positioned as a prime investment opportunity, poised to profit from the very demand that threatens to overwhelm existing power grids. The insatiable appetite of artificial intelligence for electricity is becoming the next major bottleneck in technological advancement. As AI models become more sophisticated and data centers powering applications like ChatGPT expand, their energy consumption is escalating dramatically. Experts, including OpenAI founder Sam Altman and Elon Musk, have issued stark warnings about the potential for AI to outstrip available electricity supplies, with Musk even predicting a significant shortage by next year. Each query, each model update, and each robotic breakthrough demands vast amounts of power, pushing global energy grids to their limits. This burgeoning demand is driving up electricity prices and forcing utilities to accelerate capacity expansion, creating a critical need for reliable and scalable energy solutions. Wall Street is pouring billions into AI development, but the fundamental question of where this power will come from remains largely unaddressed by many AI investors, creating a significant blind spot and potentially a massive opportunity for those who see it. This is where the narrative shifts to a less obvious player. While the spotlight is firmly on chip manufacturers and cloud platforms, a lesser-known company is strategically positioned to benefit from the impending AI energy surge. This company is not directly involved in building AI models, but it owns and operates critical energy infrastructure assets that are essential for feeding the explosive demand from AI data centers. By acting as a sort of toll booth operator for the AI energy boom, this company is set to profit from the most valuable commodity in the digital age, electricity. Its business model is intrinsically linked to the growth of AI, as the expansion of data centers directly translates to increased demand for its services. The company's strategic importance is further amplified by broader economic trends. With a renewed focus on bringing manufacturing back to the United States, potentially driven by tariffs and geopolitical considerations, this company is ideally placed to support the rebuilding and reengineering of domestic industrial facilities. This dual exposure to the AI energy demand and the reshoring trend positions it as a unique investment play that ties together several major economic narratives. What sets this company apart in the eyes of savvy investors is its financial health and valuation. While many energy and utility firms grapple with significant debt burdens and rising interest payments, this company is debt-free and holds a substantial amount of cash, equating to nearly a third of its market capitalization. This strong financial position provides flexibility and resilience, allowing it to invest aggressively in growth opportunities without the constraints faced by its more leveraged peers. Furthermore, the company holds a significant equity stake in another burgeoning AI-related company, offering investors indirect exposure to multiple growth engines without the premium valuations often associated with direct AI investments. This combination of critical infrastructure ownership, robust financials, and strategic AI exposure has not gone unnoticed by sophisticated investors. Reports suggest that some of the most secretive hedge fund managers are quietly pitching this stock at exclusive investment summits, recognizing its significant undervaluation. Trading at less than 7 times earnings, excluding cash and investments, this company represents a compelling opportunity for investors seeking substantial upside potential in the AI and energy sectors. That wraps up our deep dives for today, but the conversation doesn't stop here. What are your thoughts on these stories? And that's a wrap on today's Essential Updates. We saw Bay FC setting attendance records, explored Oracle's AI infrastructure plays, and uncovered a potential energy play in the AI boom. What a rundown! Don't miss out on future insights. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels to stay connected. We'll catch you in the next one.